welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to take a second to subscribe. There will be more videos coming each week, but this week we have a special treat, no pun intended, and it is to actually make holiday pies. So for the holidays, watch this video around the holidays, just to get you in the holiday spirit. And I also have a special guest with me today. My husband Chris is here to join us for a husband and wife bake-off challenge. So we decided, instead of using our classic blueberry pie recipe this year, we are actually going to do 2 new recipes, and we're going to compete to see which recipe ends up being the best. Okay, so we are going to get started mixing in all of our ingredients. So I have picked a separate pie crust and then pie filling recipe. So we're going to start with the pie crust and then let it chill for the allotted amount of time. I'm just adding in all of my pre-measured ingredients, my flour, sugar, and salt. Make sure my attachment is firmly on, and it says to just mix it up briefly and then start incorporating the other ingredients in. So that's what I'll be doing, mixing it just a little bit, and then I like to stop and add in ingredients. You can do it whichever way you like, but I'm going to stop a little bit until I just have a little bit less, and then I'll add in some more. Got all those ingredients added, and it says to keep it mixing until it's like a sand type texture. And then I'm just going to scrape the sides of the bowl to incorporate the butter just a little bit more. And I can see the dough is starting to form, so I'm really excited. It looks like it's coming out correctly. I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl to incorporate a little bit more. Okay, we've got a full dough now. It looks just like cookie dough. Not nearly as sweet though. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put it in a separate container or wrap it in plastic wrap, something like that, and then put it in the fridge to chill for about a half hour. Mine needs 30 minutes to chill according to my recipe, and then I'll be able to start the next step.
Okay, so I'm going to mix my ingredients, and it says to combine the flour, sugar and salt, and the butter, which is it's shortening, but I'm substituting butter, and into the stand mixer. I've made pie before, but I don't know if I want to overmix this. I don't know what it will do if I overmix this. Also in the comment section down, what is 1 3/4 cups and a half? Because that's what I had to do. I don't know if I did the math right. So, oops. And then in a small mixing bowl. And the difference between Lucy and my recipe is that I noticed that she doesn't have an egg and I do. And then blend into the mixer. Okay. And then now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator to let it chill for until it's ready.
Okay, so next up, I'm going to do my blueberry pie filling that's going to be baked within my pie. I'm going to turn on my stove to about a medium-high heat, and then pour in my pre-measured blueberries already. And some sort of utensil here. Oh, hopefully keep them in the pot. And then I need to add my water as well to get this cooking. And just stir it all until it's nice and combined. And I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit more, just to get it to cook a little bit faster. So now I need to add in my sugar and stir this up. And then I'm going to add in my cornstarch mixture. So there's some cornstarch, some lemon juice, and some water to make my blueberry pie filling. And I'm just going to cook this long enough. It says just 1 to 2 minutes or so. And once the mixture starts to bubble, it is done. So hopefully this thickens up soon. And then it'll start to bubble. And then I can take it off the heat and it'll be ready to put within my pie crust.
So now I'm going to incorporate all my ingredients for my filling. First is blueberries. And then, oh, this is blueberry. And then all my sugar. And then I have tapioca and cinnamon. And I've never had tapioca before, but it's in it. Oh well. And then a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. And how I found these recipes is I was just on the internet and I found my strategy was to find recipes that were grandma's. So I just put grandma's and then the recipe that I wanted. So then I need a fork or something to mix this. Okay. Mix this all up. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. Maybe a fork wasn't the best idea. Alright, and it says just to let it stand for 15 minutes. So I guess I'll go ahead and do that.
So next up is rolling out my dough. So I'm doing the bottom first and then I have the top to do as well. So I'm just going to start here with the bottom to fill it in my pie pan. Kind of reminds me of cookie dough. So I think that's large enough. Let's see. Yeah, I think I can spread it a little bit more when I get it on the tray. And then some of them look like they're going to be larger on some parts, so maybe I can kind of push it in. It's like our own edition of Nailed It over here. We are not expert bakers at all. Just trying to fill it in now. Which is a little hard because there's flour all over it, but I'm trying to fill it in spots where it's a little bit less. Just want to make sure it's fully covered so that way my filling has room to sit on here. So my strategy was just to find all the easiest recipes to make. So this is supposed to be a really simple, easy pie crust. And then the blueberry pie filling that I made was supposed to be simple and easy as well. So hopefully that will help because it'll be less time, less stress and pressure to bake, since holiday baking, if you're baking a lot, can get really stressful. So I'm pretty happy with that. And now what I can do next up is I can blind bake it. So I'm going to blind bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes at 475. I'm going to keep a really close eye on it so it doesn't burn. And then after that, I will make sure to put my filling in, put the top layer of crust over, and then bake it some more. And that'll be my next step. Okay, so I'm going to take the top part. I already took my bottom pie crust out of the oven. Now I'm going to roll out the top part just to give my crust, the bottom part, some time to cool. So I'm just going to roll this down for the top, and then I'm going to put my filling in the bottom part of my crust. And then this will be ready to go on top, and then it'll be ready to go back into the oven.
For me, I'm going to be rolling out my bottom dough. For some reason, I thought this was going to be more flaky. That's probably good. then right now I'm gonna add my blueberries to the mix. Spread it out. Now I'm gonna roll this out and I'm gonna make a lattice. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my piece of cheddar and I'm gonna cut strips. There. Wait, I forgot how to do this. Now I'm going to be putting it on a baking sheet and get it ready for the oven. And the oven's at 400 degrees. And it's going to be in there for 40 to 50 minutes.
Okay, the pies are out of the oven. They're both done, so it is time to blind taste test them. So this is my pie here, if you remember from earlier in the video, us making them. And then this is Chris's here, how they came out. He did a really awesome job with his weaving of the lattice patterns. It looks awesome. I can't wait to try them both and see which one we like best. So when we try it, we're not going to know whose is whose when we're eating them. So we're going to have to give a completely unbiased opinion on which one we like more. Okay, and it looks like he is all ready. He's got his fork to his left since he is left-handed. And he's going to try pie 1 now. He's going to tell us what he thinks.
Did I get anything?
You got, oh, he lost it. You don't have anything.
Did I get it?
No. You gotta scoop it. There you go, you got it, son. Yep.
Did I? Did I get it?
You got a little bit. Just keep it on the fork. There you go.
Didn't get much.
No, you don't have anything. You don't have
Should I get a spoon?
Maybe we want to use a spoon.
Did I get it?
Yep, you got it. You got it. You still had it. You're good. I got your spoon just in case.
Huh.
The spoon is here. Napkin's here. What are you looking for?
Spoon.
Oh, okay. You gonna try more than that? You feel like you need another bite of that one?
I had a little bit of crust and then I had like 1 blueberry.
Oh, okay.
Is this with both?
That's just a blueberry. Just a blueberry. Still just a blueberry. What? No, still just a blueberry. Do you want me to put it on the plate?
Maybe. Did I mangle it?
Yeah, it's really hard to even grab. Let's see. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now you got it all. So this is pie 2.
Fork.
That's a spoon. There you go. You got a full bite there.
Sounds really good. I think I like the second one more.
You like the second one more?
Yeah, I'm voting 2.
Okay, you're voting 2. I know I was laughing when you were doing it because you got like nothing on your plate or fork, but I feel like I'm about to have the same experience. I've never done this before.
It's harder than it
It
looks.
really is. Well, it's harder than it looks. How would you know? You can't see anything. Did I get you? No.
No.
I can't even feel anything.
No.
Oh gosh, am I sliding it off the plate?
Yep.
I might need your help. No. Oh, okay.
Ready?
Mhm. I'm terrified. I'm so scared right now. That crust is good.
It is.
I like that crust a lot. There wasn't a ton of filling, but the crust was really good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Take it, sorry.
You got blueberries. Still just blueberries. Oh, you've lost a couple now. Hold. No.
No, not anymore.
Okay.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay, anything left on the spoon?
Yeah.
They actually taste relatively similar
Really?
to me. Mhm. That one seemed less sweet. This one.
Okay.
So I think I like pie 1 better than pie 2. So I voted pie 1, you voted pie 2 in whatever selection that we were in.
Yes.
Okay, so should we reveal which pie was which
Yeah.
to each other? Okay, so pie 1 for me, pie 2 for me, but I did for you.
Okay, so this was my
Second
winner.
slice.
This
And that
is
was your
the
second
winner. This is one I would rather have.
Okay, and which one would I rather have?
This one.
Wow, mine won!
Yours won.
I knew that blueberry filling was gonna take the cake.
You mean pie? That was horrible.
You didn't like yours?
I didn't.
No?
I didn't like
I
mine.
mean, that was good. They're both edible. I just think this one's better.
I think yours had more
It
flavor,
was sweeter.
and I couldn't even taste mine at all.
Now you have the results. The votes are in. This one is the winner. My pie.
It may not look the best, but it
But it
definitely
tastes
tastes
the
the best.
Following family tradition. So, that is it for this video today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.